subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Honor Tab V7 Pro. Honor Tab V7 Pro comes with 11-inch LCD screen that offers a 2K screen resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, 16:10 aspect ratio, 276 pixel density, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a DCI-P3 color gamut. It is powered by MediaTek KOMPANIO 1300T chipset, making it the world's first device to feature this newly announced SoC. It is equipped with a 7-layer cooling system for heat dissipation. It also carries support for RAM extension technology. Camera department, there's a 13-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Tablet runs the Android 11 operating system, with Magic UI 5.0 on top that has been optimized for multitasking, and offers features like multi-window function, split screen, drag and drop, and more. It is powered by a 7250 mAh battery that carries support for 22.5 watts rapid charging. Other features on the device include quad speakers, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, and a USB-C port. It is newly launched on a tablet. Also carries support for the Magic Pencil 2 stylus, and a keyboard case for a desktop-like experience. Honor started taking pre-orders for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It is priced at $500. So friends, how did you like this tab? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.